only way. I was the other side.
Hi loves, it's Natalie, aka Highmane10ance. Welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm just gonna show you guys how I go from my shrunken wash and go to a more stretched but still defined wash and go. I like this method because it takes me less than 15 minutes to do and it guarantees me the results I want. Before we start in the video, I just wanted to say, do you guys remember Ana Luisa, the jewelry brand I talked about in my last video? I'm still loving their jewelry and I really think you guys should check them out. These are the two most recent pieces I've gotten from them. This is the Cuidado hoop and this is the mini huggy hoop. I love them. They're perfect for stacking with multiple pairs. A couple other things I love about this brand: they have quality tarnish-free pieces, they are eco-friendly, and they're affordable. I highly recommend you guys check them out. I'll have all of their information down below. So stay tuned if you guys want to see how I go from this to this. To do this wash and go, I used the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in, and then I used Eco Styler Gel. So my hair is pretty defined, but it's really shrunken. I'm gonna section it off into halves first, and then we're gonna go into fourths. Working with this section first. And I just wanna show you guys how much my hair shrank. That's what, like almost 3 times. The gel cast is kind of broken, but I'm just gonna use this Moisture Love Seal with a Kiss oil. Take my dryer, and usually I would use a concentrated nozzle, but I can't find it, so whatever. We're just gonna use it the regular way. And I'm actually gonna use it on high. So actually, I just realized you guys aren't gonna be able to hear me while this is on. So I'm gonna explain to you guys what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna end up holding my hair like this, pulling it taut, and then blow drying down at the roots. And I try not to keep it on one spot too long so I don't get heat damage. I'm just gonna move it around and try to stretch this out. And I don't want to do this on my ends just because I don't want any type of heat going on my ends. They are usually covered by my hand. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So that's already made a pretty big difference. I probably could stretch it more, but I still want this wash and go to last. If I was really going somewhere where I wanted my hair to be really, like, give myself more length, I could stretch some more, but you do sacrifice some definition in some parts. I really wish I didn't wear a black shirt so you guys could really see how my ends look fine because they weren't, you know, they weren't stretched. I'm gonna do my front section now. And again, I'm just using some oil. So I'm just gonna divide this section. Sometimes it works better when you work in smaller sections. I forgot to mention that your hair has to be like fully dry for this to work the best, because I've noticed when I do it to my hair when it's damp, I get way more frizz. Okay, moving on to the other half. This is what we're looking like, not stretched side and stretched side. So I'm gonna speed through the rest of this and you guys can just watch. Forgot to mention that when you're pulling your hair, make sure that you're pulling it in the direction that you want it to go. Like usually I'll start out pulling it like this, and then I usually pull it like this because I want my hair to go down. Whew, okay, last section. Okay, that's all done. Just gonna do my edges really quick with the Mielle Organics Flexible Hold Edge Gel. Actually, I'm gonna moisturize my edges really quick because they look a little dry. Just using my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in to do this. So this is the final look of my stretched wash and go using my blow dryer. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Definitely hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified when I drop future videos. Also, make sure you guys check out Luisa Jewelry. I'm sure you guys will find something you love. I'll have all of their info down in the description box. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.